Today we're doing a vampire facelift, and we have a wonderful patient here today who's going to enjoy the benefit, and we're looking forward to helping her.
Hi, I'm Lori. I'm at Prasad Cosmetic Surgery. I'm very excited for my vampire facelift today. I heard some wonderful things about the procedure. A few of my concerns on my skin is the dark circles under my eyes, also some fine lines on the side of my eyes, and smile lines over here as well. And I just want a rejuvenated, refreshed look, which I heard that this procedure will bring.
Now before we do the procedure, I'm going to talk a little bit about what it means to do a vampire facelift. First of all, for anyone who is a doctor or a surgeon, it's important to understand that it's not a regular facelift in terms of the definition of a facelift, and that means a facelift helps the jowls and jawline as well as the neck skin by lifting all of the sagging tissue. The terminology facelift has now been transformed to just mean facial enhancement. So really this is more about restoring volume than it is about lifting.
Okay.
So show me what you want to see change.
The hollowness under my eyes,
Okay.
and the darkness also,
Okay.
as well as like the creasing almost, like the wrinkling.
Mm-hmm. So we want to see a little bit more volume, and this is one of the things that happens. You know, if we're lucky, we get old enough to have some of these problems, but as we get older, we lose fat and we lose volume. And so the cheek area and the under eye area start to look a little bit hollow. So with the vampire lift, we'll be able to restore some volume in this area, and as well as in other areas in the face that look like they're starting to get a little bit flat. So is there any other parts of your face that you want me to focus on?
The creases on the side of the nose, and the smile lines.
The smile lines, right. So using your own blood to create your own collagen using the vampire lift technique is really nice because your body is generating collagen, and it's more of a natural tapered look compared to fillers sometimes, because fillers can sometimes look a little bit bumpy,
Right.
and using your own blood it kind of goes in very smooth and it generates collagen over the course of several weeks to months. So that's really nice.
So it keeps on improving.
It keeps on improving.
Okay.
A vampire facelift was named that because it has to do with removing some blood or harvesting some blood so that we can use the growth factors and platelets to help restore collagen. It was created by a doctor named Dr. Charles Runels, who combined hyaluronic acid, which is a filler like Restylane or Juvederm, with platelet-rich fibrin matrix. Now, platelet-rich fibrin matrix is different from platelet-rich plasma. This is platelet-rich fibrin matrix that's been activated with calcium chloride. So now we're going to do this. The nice thing about platelet-rich plasma and platelet-rich fibrin matrix, the growth factors stimulate blood vessels. And blood vessels go into your skin and create a flush or a youthful glow. You know, that's what we want after the age of 30, is getting back some of that youthful glow. And so, unlike regular filler, platelet-rich plasma or platelet-rich fibrin matrix will stimulate new blood vessels, and that creates this nice glow that goes on for months. The difference between platelet-rich plasma and platelet-rich fibrin matrix is that the fibrin matrix is a more stable form that allows the recruitment of these growth factors, and it creates volume. So if we were to use a kit such as that offered by Selphyl or RegenLab, then the material that we're using acts like a filler, as opposed to platelet-rich plasma, which is very effective, but it's a liquid. And so if we wanted to add volume in the places that need volume, it's better to use something that has substance to it, like a typical filler. It takes a couple of days for the process to continue, but you get the immediate gratification of having some volume, and so that you can go out to dinner tonight and you can enjoy having all of this placed without it looking like you had something done.
I am an event planner. I need to always be on, which is one of the reasons why I'm getting this done. There's no downtime with this procedure. I need to always look my best, and it continues to refresh and rejuvenate your skin, so the results only get better, which I am very excited about. But as far as not having any downtime, not missing any work, and be able to be camera ready for any kind of event I need to go to, I think this is the right decision for me.
I think we can benefit from adding a little bit here to make this area look a little bit younger. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
That's
No,
that's
look
a
how
young
I shaped
face.
it in. That's
That's
nice.
a young face.
Look at the difference. I hate it too.
That was a sensitive area.
Exactly.
Well, I'll get inside because that's a good before
sure,
and after.
sure.
No, you know what I mean? Like you really see a huge difference.
Yeah, we should take
Yeah.
the pictures because we have it.
Yeah. So again, the Vampire Facelift is a designer procedure that was created by Dr. Runels so that we can combine in a very specific way the use of a hyaluronic acid and platelet-rich fibrin matrix, with one particular goal in mind, is to restore a youthful appearance by restoring volume in the places where volume was lost, but at the same time making it very convenient. It is no surprise that a lot of people who go for fillers will have a negative experience because they'll have bruising or they'll have swelling. And it was the intention of this particular Vampire Facelift procedure is that once you have it done, you can literally have it done as a last minute process. So if you have a party that same evening, or if you have an important event the next day, then you can have a Vampire Facelift and look good.
I just had my Vampire Facelift about 10 minutes ago. I actually could see, it's amazing, I could actually see the results already. Plumpness in my cheeks, just more volume in the lower part of my face, and actually the hollowness under my eyes, it's basically gone already. So it's been a great experience. I'm actually going back to work now. No downtime. Tiny little bit of redness, but my skin looks plump and great, so I'm very happy. Since I had my Vampire Facelift, and I love it. I see definitely like a full plumpness in the skin, almost like a refreshed, flush, like new fresh skin. The texture is much better. I don't have to wear any foundation, and definitely not as dark under the eyes, and the fine lines as well have definitely plumped up and went away. So I'm very, very happy with the results.